In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use LTX Studio AI, Beginner's Guide. To get started, open your web browser and head to the LTX Studio website. Once you arrive, sign into your account or create a new one if this is your first time using the platform. If LTX Studio asks you to verify your email address, go ahead and complete that step first so you can access all features without interruptions. When you're on the dashboard, click Create New Project. At this point, you'll usually have the option to begin with a blank project or choose from a template. If you want maximum control, a blank project is a good choice. If you want a faster starting point, a template can help you get moving more quickly. After that, enter a project name and click Create. Now you're ready to describe your idea in the AI prompt box. This is where clarity really matters. Try to explain what your video is about and include useful details like the topic, the visual style, the tone, any characters you want included, and who the video is meant for. The more specific your prompt is, the better the AI can shape the first draft. Once your prompt is ready, click Generate and let LTX Studio build your initial storyboard and script. After the AI finishes, review the generated scenes and the overall storyline carefully. This first version is meant to give you a strong foundation, but you'll usually want to refine it. Edit the script or scene descriptions anywhere. They don't match your vision. You can also rearrange scenes, duplicate them, or delete anything that feels unnecessary. Next, customize each scene in more detail. Adjust camera angles, framing, and the overall visual style to create the look you want. If your video includes people, places, or objects, you can add or modify characters, locations, and props as needed. You can also generate or replace scene visuals using the built-in AI tools to better match your concept. Once the visuals are in good shape, move on to audio. Add a voiceover by uploading your own audio or by using one of the available AI voices. If it fits your project, include background music or sound effects to make the video feel more polished and engaging. Before exporting, preview the full project. Watch for scene transitions, pacing, and narration flow. This is the best time to catch anything that feels off. Make any final edits to the storyboard, visuals, or script until everything looks right. When you're satisfied, click Export. Choose your preferred video quality, format, and any export settings you need, then wait while LTX Studio renders the video. Once it's done, download the completed file to your device, review the exported version to make sure everything appears correctly, and then share or publish your finished video on the platform of your choice.